In today's video, we're diving into 12 peculiar signs that may indicate liver damage. Recognizing these early warnings is essential, as it empowers you to take proactive measures to halt any potential progression. Contrary to common belief, liver damage isn't solely attributed to excessive alcohol intake. Factors like processed foods, high sugar consumption, vegetable oils, excessive painkiller use, and viral infections can also wreak havoc on your liver's health. So, let's explore these unusual signs and equip ourselves with natural home remedies to cleanse the liver and prevent further damage. Pale stool. If your stool appears unusually pale, it could signify liver damage. Normally, bile produced by the liver gives stool its characteristic brown color. However, liver damage can disrupt bile flow, resulting in lighter or clay-colored stools. Keep an eye out for this subtle yet telling sign. Nyctalopia, poor night vision. Struggling to see in low light or darkness might indicate liver damage. The liver plays a role in transporting vitamin A to the retina, crucial for night vision. Damage to the liver can lead to a deficiency in vitamin A, affecting retinal cells responsible for low light vision. Swollen right foot. Liver damage can cause peripheral edema, resulting in swollen feet, especially on the right side. This swelling stems from a lack of albumin production by the liver, disrupting fluid balance in the body. Pay attention to any unusual swelling, particularly on the right foot. White or yellow bumps around eyelids. Keep an eye out for cholesterol deposits known as xanthelasma around your eyelids. These can be a peculiar sign of liver disease, indicating disrupted cholesterol metabolism due to liver impairment. Right-sided pressure. Feeling pressure or discomfort on the right side of your rib cage, especially after eating, could signal liver issues. Thickened bile from liver damage can block ducts, leading to pressure buildup and discomfort in the area. Purple or red bumps on skin. Liver damage can impair blood clotting due to reduced fibrinogen production. This may manifest as unusual purple or red spots or bumps on the skin, particularly around the lower legs and arms. Cracked heels. Surprisingly, cracked heels can be linked to liver damage. A deficiency in vitamin B3, utilized by the liver for repair, can result in dry, cracked skin on the feet. Don't overlook this seemingly unrelated symptom. White or swollen nails. Changes in nail appearance, such as whitening or swelling, could indicate serious liver issues. Monitoring these changes, along with other symptoms, can aid in early detection of liver problems. Dark urine. Dark yellow or brown urine may suggest liver damage, as the liver plays a crucial role in filtering waste products, including bilirubin. Any significant change in urine color warrants attention. Jaundice. Yellowing of the skin, eyes, and mucous membranes is a prominent symptom of liver damage. This occurs due to the accumulation of bilirubin in the body, indicating impaired liver function. Spider veins. These small dilated blood vessels, often visible on the face, legs, and feet, could indicate an underlying liver condition. Elevated estrogen levels from liver damage can contribute to their visibility. Itchy skin. Liver damage can lead to the buildup of bile acids under the skin, causing itchiness. This discomfort, coupled with dry, flaky skin, should prompt further investigation. If you identify with any of these signs, it's crucial to consult a healthcare professional promptly. Early detection and intervention are key to managing liver damage effectively. Now, let's explore how we can reverse liver damage and promote liver health. How to reverse liver disease. Liver damage progresses through 4 stages, starting with excess fat accumulation, leading to inflammation and scar tissue formation, fibrosis. If left unchecked, it can progress to cirrhosis, the most severe stage resulting in liver failure. Fortunately, the liver possesses remarkable regenerative capabilities, given the right support. Organic coffee and turmeric. Kickstart your day with organic coffee infused with half a teaspoon of turmeric. Both contain phytonutrients and polyphenols that aid in reducing scar tissue formation and repairing liver damage caused by various factors. Hydration and liver cleansing. Ensure adequate hydration by drinking at least 1 liter of water daily. Water aids in thinning the blood and supports liver function by assisting in bile production, crucial for breaking down fatty deposits. Liver cleansing herbs and spices. Incorporate liver cleansing herbs and spices into your diet, such as ginger, turmeric, cinnamon, dandelion root, milk thistle, reishi mushrooms, green tea, and cloves. These natural ingredients support detoxification and overall liver health. Healthy fats. Eliminate inflammatory seed oils from your diet and opt for healthier fats like butter, tallow, extra virgin olive oil, and coconut oil. These fats not only enhance flavor but also provide liver protective properties, reducing inflammation and damage. Sulfur-rich foods. Integrate sulfur-rich foods into your meals, including leafy greens, arugula, radishes, garlic, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, kale, cabbage, mushrooms, pastured eggs, oily fish, walnuts, onions, scallions, and broccoli sprouts. These foods elevate glutathione levels, aiding in liver detoxification and fat removal. Avoid processed and sugary foods. Cut back on processed, sugary, and starchy foods, as they can exacerbate liver damage. These include bread, biscuits, sweets, ketchup, pancakes, pasta, soda drinks, and fruit juices. Eliminating these from your diet is crucial for reversing liver damage. Intermittent fasting. Incorporate intermittent fasting into your routine to give your liver a break, improve insulin sensitivity, and reduce inflammation. This fasting regimen triggers a cleansing process, eliminating harmful substances from your liver. Purified bile supplements. Consider taking purified bile supplements or digestive enzymes containing ox bile on an empty stomach in the morning. These supplements help eliminate fat from the liver and prevent gallbladder stone formation. Consulting with a healthcare professional can provide personalized guidance on selecting the most suitable supplements for your liver health needs. By adopting these strategies, you can embark on a journey to reverse liver damage and promote optimal liver health. Remember, consistency and commitment to lifestyle changes are key to achieving lasting results. With that, we conclude today's video on 12 weird signs of liver damage and how to reverse it. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.